In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Facebook lead form with Zapier using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that sends new Facebook leads straight to the tool you already use, like a spreadsheet, your CRM, or email. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. Then log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and click Create, then select Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process, and an action that runs after the trigger fires. For the trigger, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. When Zapier asks for the event, choose New Lead. This tells Zapier to run every time someone submits your Facebook lead form. Click Continue, then click Sign in to Facebook lead ads to connect your Facebook account. Make sure the account you connect has access to manage leads for the page you'll use, and approve any permissions Zapier requests so it can read your forms and leads. Click Continue, then choose your Facebook page from the drop-down. After that, select the specific lead form you want to capture. These are the instant forms you built in Facebook Ads Manager. Pick the version currently collecting leads to avoid mapping to an old form. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a sample lead, which helps you preview the data and set up the rest of the workflow. If you don't see any sample data, ensure the form has at least one recent submission. A test lead is enough to proceed. When the sample looks good, click Continue. It's time to define the action. Choose the app where you want the lead to go. Google Sheets, your CRM, or email are common choices. Select the action event that matches your goal, such as creating a new row, adding a contact, or sending a message. Click Continue and connect your account for that app. Approve access so Zapier can create records on your behalf. Next, map the fields from your Facebook lead form to the destination fields. For example, map full name, email, and phone number to the appropriate fields in your spreadsheet or CRM. Double-check required fields, formats like dates or country codes, and any consent or source fields you want to keep for reporting. Click Test. Step to send the sample through. Open the destination app to confirm everything landed in the right place. If the result looks correct, return to Zapier and click Publish to turn the Zap on. From now on, new leads submitted on that form will flow automatically to your selected app. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.